Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this logo, and he was really just concerned about the font, but there's a lot of other problems with this drawing. I'm going to go over that maybe in a second video, how you could correct this, make it look a lot better. And for the one I'm doing it for, I know he's a laser engraver. I don't understand the color. Maybe he's got a printer now. But the font you picked looks really close to this other font that probably would have been the one you traced. I found a font that's maybe a little closer, ALDINE 401 BT, and it could be bolded, but I unbolded it. And I think it's a lot better or closer than maybe this one. Got a little bit of different look. I don't know if the font has to be dead on. But in this video, I'm going to show the T and the K are bigger. So what you do is just take your font tool and just go backwards and highlight that font. I just did a video kind of like this yesterday. And let's go 260, and it made it bigger. Take the K and make it 260. And there you have that font. Now, if you need that color, if somehow you've got some printing ability now, I'd go to object and break it apart, and then you could pick that one. You could actually use the color eyedropper tool to take a sample of that and pour it into that font to get that color of font. I think that looks pretty good. So stay tuned for the second video, and I'm going to go over a couple of things I see wrong. This shape's a little funny right here, and of course the places between the cow, the cat, and the dog and the horse, and also the medical sign. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.